Hi, I'm Rebecca Broumand, and I drink a lot of wine and I drink a lot of coffee. I'm going to show you how to get rid of wine and coffee stains off your teeth. I love red wine. I have wine parties all the time. It's one of my pastimes. I host parties, whether it's at my friends' houses or my houses, about wine tasting. We love our red wines. And I really believe the doctor's reports that red wines are good for your heart. And it's definitely a great antioxidant. So there's my excuse of why I drink a lot of red wine. But red wine stains your teeth. I also drink a ton of coffee, and that coffee does a number on my teeth. I have sensitive teeth, and I wanted a snow whitening system that wouldn't hurt my teeth. The kit arrives to your door, and inside of it has all these different things that you can use for many different treatments at home to whiten your teeth. Depending how quickly your teeth will process, you can use this 3 times and get a great result, or 20 times. I only need to use SNOW Teeth Whitening about 3 times a week to keep really white teeth. You might need to use it more, depends on your genetics and how porous your teeth are. This is your at-home dental device that's gonna whiten your teeth. It's an LED light with a mouthpiece. It has 3 different plugs you can use to power it. Personally, I like the cell phone power up because I plug it in and my cell phone goes everywhere with me. I just put it in my back pocket and I can walk around and do what I do with my SNOW Teeth Whitening system in my mouth. But you also could have used the input on a computer or any kind of USB charger you have. Or those mini ports. Those go into my charger. And their proprietary desensitizing serum. This is what you use because you don't want to have any kind of pain whitening your teeth. And this beautiful gold wand is a maximum strength serum. With the brush, I love the professional 3D teeth shading guide because you can see where your teeth are starting off, and comes with a guide on how to do it. And it's really easy to use. All the steps are there. Your first step is you gotta brush your teeth, which I've done. So we want to apply our whitening serum, so just click it until it comes out the end, like that. So you apply it to your teeth, brush it on. Right in there is where I need it the most. Plug her in, Dano, into the back pocket, and in she goes. So it's been 30 minutes, time to take it out. What do you think? And Snow also gives lip balm in the kit. The SNOW Teeth Whitening System really works for coffee stains and my wine stains. I'm just not going to slow down on drinking wine or drinking coffee. The scientists at Snow specifically look for a formula to get rid of wine and coffee stains. The LED light is effective but gentle to the inside of your mouth. It's not going to cause any damage from that light. Snow uses ultra-safe LED wavelengths that don't cause any harm to your mouth or your body. There are no side effects. Snow is great for short-term and long-term. You only buy one device and they give you a lot of products so you can whiten your teeth for many, many months, depending how frequently you use it. I like that it's so economical, yet so professional to use at home during my daily life, which happens to be cooking a lot. And with all the ways to power it up, you can use it anywhere you're at. Maybe you're at the beach sunbathing or taking a walk in the forest. You can whiten your teeth anywhere. I like that flexibility, and all their products are never tested on animals. They're cruelty-free. And Snow doesn't use any harmful chemicals, so you can feel confident that you're whitening your teeth in a gentle way that's not going to hurt your mouth or your gums or your teeth, and it's going to make you feel beautiful with your brand new radiant smile. So click the link and get your SNOW Teeth Whitening System because you want to put your best asset for it, and that's a really beautiful, pretty smile. I'm Rebecca Broumand. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my next video. And let's make great recipes in life. Recipes for a beautiful white smile so you can dazzle the ones you love. If you like this video, click on these. They're more about beauty and looking great and feeling great.